Good afternoon, everybody. This is Dr. Ivy Jones, and I am here on part of Dr. Jeff Spirko and I to announce the winners of the Corpus Christi Regional Science Olympiad. First, I'd like to thank everybody for participating. Everything went as smoothly as to be expected. We had a few technical difficulties there at the end, which is what's delaying these scores for you. But we had so many participants, and I was so pleased that as many of you came to the event as you did. We had 6 teams compete in Division B and 11 teams in Division C. We had a number of people working in the background supervising these events. We had 16 events in Division B and 12 events in Division C. And just in advance, I'd like to congratulate all of the winners and the participants for doing such a good job pulling together and adapting to an interesting situation. So let's go ahead and get started on what I know you all are curious about. So first, I'd like to announce the winners for Division B, Anatomy and Physiology. In third place was the Prestonwood Christian Academy. In second place was Fort Settlement Team 2. And in first place was Fort Settlement Team 1. For Division C, Anatomy and Physiology, in third place was the Prestonwood Christian Academy. In second place was Cypress Creek. And in first place was Veterans Memorial High School. In Division B for Botany, third place was the Harmony School of Innovation. Second place was the Prestonwood Christian Academy. And first place was Fort Settlement Team 2. For Division C, Astronomy, third place was Cypress Creek. Second place was Dulles, DHSA. And first place was Hendrickson, HHSA. For Division B, Circuit Lab, in third place, we had Seashore Middle Academy. In second place was Prestonwood Christian Academy. And in first place was Fort Settlement Team 1. Division C Circuit Lab. In third place was Dulles Team B. In second place was Cypress Creek. And in first place was Henderson HHSA. In the Division B Density Lab, third place was the Harmony School of Innovation. Second place was Prestonwood Christian Academy. And first place was Fort Settlement Team 1. In Division C, Designer Jeans, third place was Cypress Creek. Second place was Dulles DHSA. And first place was Veterans Memorial High School. In Division B, Disease Detectives, in third place was the Prestonwood Christian Academy. In second place was Fort Settlement Team 2. And in first place was Fort Settlement Team 1. Disease Detectives for Division C, in third place was Dulles DHS Team B. In second place was Veterans Memorial High School. And in first place was Dulles DHSA. In Division B Dynamic Planet, third place was Fort Settlement Team 2. Second place was Prestonwood Christian Academy. And first place was Fort Settlement Team 1. For Division C Dynamic Planet, third place was Hendrickson, HHSA. Second place was Dulles, DHSA. And first place was Dulles, DHS Team B. For Division B Food Science, third place was the Seashore Middle Academy. Second place was the Harmony School of Innovation. And first place was Prestonwood Christian Academy, blue. Division C fossils. Third place was Belleville. Second place was Veterans Memorial High School. And first place was Belleville Team B. In Division B fossils, in third place was Fort Settlement Team 2. Second place was the Seashore Middle Academy. And first place was Fort Settlement Team 1. In Division C, geologic mapping, third place was Hendrickson HHSA. Second place was the Prestonwood Christian Academy. And first place was Dulles DHSA. In Division B, green generation, third place was Fort Settlement Team 2. Second place was Harmony School of Innovation. And first place was Prestonwood Christian Academy. In Division C machines, third place was Dulles, Team B. Second place was Dulles, Team A. And first place was Hendrickson HHSA. In Division B, heredity, third place was the Prestonwood Christian Academy. Second place was Fort Settlement Team 2. And first place was Fort Settlement Team 1. Division C, ornithology. Third place was Prestonwood Christian Academy. Second place was Hendrickson, Team A. And first place is Dulles DHSA. Division B, machines. Third place, Prestonwood Christian Academy. Second place, Prestonwood Christian Academy, blue team. First place, Fort Settlement Team 2. Division C, the sounds of music. In third place was Cypress Creek. In second place was Dulles DHSA. And in first place was Dulles DHS Team B. Division B, meteorology. In third place was Prestonwood Christian Academy, blue. In second place was Prestonwood Christian Academy. And in first place was Fort Settlement Team 2. In Division C, water quality. Third place was Flower Bluff. Second place was Hendrickson HHSA. And first place was Dulles DHSA. For ornithology Division B, third place was Harmony School of Innovation. Second place was Fort Settlement Team 1. And first place was Fort Settlement Team 2. Division B, Reach for the Stars. In third place was Prestonwood Christian Academy, Team Blue. In second place was Seashore Middle Academy. And in first place is Fort Settlement Team 1. Division B, Road Scholar. In third place was Seashore Middle Academy. In second place was Prestonwood Christian Academy. And in first place was Fort Settlement Team 1. Division B, water quality. In third place was the Harmony School of Innovation. In second place is the Prestonwood Christian Academy, Team Blue. And in first place is Fort Settlement Team 2. And next, we'll handle the overall first, second, and third place trophies for Division B and Division C. For Division B, in third place overall is the Prestonwood Christian Academy Middle School, PCA Middle. In second place is Fort Settlement Middle School, Team 1. And in first place is the Fort Settlement Middle School, Team 2. And the Division C trophies. In third place is Veterans Memorial High School. In second place is Hendrickson High School. And in first place is Dulles High School DHS Team A. Congratulations to all the winners. We appreciate everyone communicating and working with us and being understanding as we work through everything. We really hope to see everyone face to face next year so that we can do this presentation and get to hear all the hooting and hollering and the excitement that comes along with it that I know we all miss. And again, from Dr. Spirko and myself, Dr. Ivy Jones, as well as Corpus Christi, Texas A&M University, we'd like to thank you very much for your time this year and look forward to seeing you next year. Thank you. Goodbye.